In a world where technology constantly evolves, there's a new force that's changing the game faster than ever before. Welcome to the era of generative AI, a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize how we work and live. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of generative AI and uncover the ways it can supercharge your productivity, regardless of your profession or industry. From automating tasks to igniting creativity, generative AI holds the key to staying ahead in the ever-changing job market. So, if you've ever wondered how to harness the incredible power of AI to boost your productivity, you're in the right place. Get ready to transform the way you work, unlock your true potential, and embrace the future where productivity knows no bounds. It's time to dive into the world of generative AI and discover how it can enhance your work and life. Make friends with AI and you'll be on the fast track to boosting your productivity. A study by the National Bureau of Economic Research, NBER, revealed that customer support agents who harness the power of a generative pre-trained transformer GPT AI tool experienced an astonishing 14% increase in their productivity. Now, you might be wondering, is AI relevant to me? Well, if you work or plan to work in what's often referred to as the information economy, a world where creating, using, and exchanging information is key, AI can be a game changer. This transformative technology spans across a vast spectrum of occupations, industries, and skills. Think about doctors and lawyers who rely on AI to process and share information about medical cases or legal matters. Even tradespeople like carpenters and plumbers can use AI to design and implement practical solutions. The reach extends to clerical, administrative, and managerial roles, including project management, HR, and finance. The exciting part is that today, AI tools are readily available, some even for free on the internet. Here's the reality. Those who embrace these tools are positioning themselves for success. It's not about being replaced by AI, but rather about staying ahead of the curve alongside smarter, more adaptable colleagues. Integrating AI into your daily work can be a game changer, allowing you to focus on more complex and creative tasks while automating repetitive ones. Understanding where and how generative AI fits into your workflow is essential to harnessing its potential. Let's break down some common job categories and explain how AI can be a valuable ally. Administrative tasks. Imagine having a personal assistant at your fingertips. AI can schedule meetings, manage routine emails, organize your calendar, and even review or approve work where you have supervisory responsibilities. Popular office tools like Microsoft Excel, Word, and Gmail now offer AI-powered features, making them accessible to anyone willing to explore and learn. However, AI still faces challenges when it comes to nuanced decision-making, like resolving conflicts between team members or handling complex office dynamics. Project planning and management. AI can be your guide when you're new to project management. Tools like ChatGPT can help you create an action plan by simply expressing your goals. It builds a step-by-step plan for you. But remember, when dealing with unexpected situations or adapting to unique challenges not pre-programmed, human intervention remains crucial. Data analysis. Generative AI shines in automating data analysis tasks. It interprets complex data sets, identifies trends, and predicts future outcomes based on historical data. Tools like TensorFlow and Keras help create predictive models, while natural language processing tools analyze written content. However, AI may struggle with ambiguous or poor quality data and can't explain the causality behind the patterns it identifies. Research. AI-powered language interfaces such as ChatGPT or Como are proving highly effective for gathering sources and summarizing information, often faster than search engines. Be cautious though, and double-check information against reputable sources, as AI can be opaque about its data sources. It's essential to remember that AI may sometimes miss the nuanced context behind certain information. Writing. AI can assist in drafting reports by providing structure, suggesting content based on data analysis, and even creating initial drafts. Tools like Grammarly improve writing quality, while others like Quill or Automated Insights generate written content from data. However, crafting a report that convincingly communicates nuanced insights or presents a persuasive argument remains a predominantly human task. Learning and development. Generative AI makes an excellent tutor. You can ask it to explain various topics, and if you still don't grasp the concept, request a simpler explanation or more detailed information. However, it can't replace the adaptability of a human tutor who understands individual learning styles and adjusts teaching accordingly. Unlocking the full potential of AI hinges on your ability to craft effective prompts. While you may acknowledge the power of AI, you might be wondering, how do I ensure I'm getting the best out of it? Harnessing generative AI models like ChatGPT involves more than just asking questions. It's about shaping a prompt that steers the AI toward a valuable and relevant response. Here are some of the key strategies to make your prompts for any AI tool more effective. Assign a role, set boundaries, specify response formats, and highlight focus areas. Start by giving the AI tool a role, such as strategy consultant or market analyst. This sets the context and persona for its responses. For instance, if you need a SWOT analyst for entering the European tech market, assign the AI the role of a market analyst with expertise in that sector. Setting boundaries helps define the scope of AI's responses, ensuring it stays on topic. Specify the response format you desire, whether it's a list, paragraph, or dialogue, depending on your needs. Lastly, highlight the areas of focus to direct the AI's attention to what matters most to you. For example, you could request a SWOT analysis focusing on potential market opportunities, major threats, and key regulatory considerations. Treat AI as a collaborator, not a servant. Shift your mindset from commanding AI to collaborating with it. Instead of merely instructing it to complete a task, engage in a dialogue that encourages collaboration. For example, you can say, "Let's work together to develop a marketing plan for our new product launch in the next quarter. We need to consider target audience, channels of promotion, and potential challenges. What are your thoughts?" This collaborative approach prompts the AI to seek clarification when necessary, ensuring you get more precise and useful responses. Ultimately, it's about adaptability. The world is evolving rapidly, and those who can identify and implement new opportunities into their daily work routines will thrive. Just as the World Wide Web transformed the workspace, with knowledge seekers gaining the upper hand, the emergence of generative AI signifies a similar shift. Now, success favors those who can transform knowledge into action, leveraging AI as a valuable collaborator in achieving their goals. The possibilities are limitless, and your adaptability is your greatest asset. Just as the arrival of the World Wide Web reshaped the workplace, generative AI heralds a new era where those who can turn knowledge into action will shine the brightest. So, go forth with confidence, continue exploring the potential of AI, and never stop striving for excellence. Your future is bright, and with generative AI at your side, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and here's to a future where productivity knows no bounds. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, keep boosting your productivity with generative AI.